Okay, day 2, Pueblo Motorsports Park. 100 to 107 degrees that day. The previous day was a drive day, so we had a chance to relax a little bit. Had some drinks with Jeremy the night before, and get to the track at a reasonable time, set up shop. We still have the 150 jets in from Great Bend. We're going to adjust the ignition box to put those 2 degrees of timing back in it. We make the first hit. The car almost dies, as you can see in the video, at the starting line as soon as I punched it. And the mile per hour was good. It was 135 miles per hour, so we think everything's okay. We're going to go ahead and try to clean up that first part. Could have been the EFI learning, could have been whatever. I know before we left on this trip, though, I made some NHRA license passes, and the car easily went 950 at the home track and didn't skip a beat. So we didn't think we had any real tuning issues going into this event. It was just a couple weeks before we left for Great Bend. We made those license hits. So put the 200 jets in the car, adjust the timing, make a pass. That pass is our best run, which is still terrible at 1075. It didn't seem like we were on nitrous for the most part, most of the run. So we make a third hit. That one, again, doesn't seem like we're on the nitrous. We go and refill a bottle while we're there. Nitrous outlet was kind enough to be on site with those capabilities, so we went ahead and filled the bottle right there. Made 2 more passes thinking, okay, maybe we had some stale nitrous sat in the bottle for a year or however long it would have been in there. So all those things didn't seem to make any difference. So just like that, 2 days of racing in and we're out of contention. We were 6 or 7 hundredths from 3rd place at 7 on day 1. Now we're going to be in 9th place with a mid 10-second average. The index is 10.0 to 10.99, but there are people hovering right on that 10.0 spot. So we knew we had our hands full. Our spirits are getting kind of low. We've got to regroup here at Bandimere. We got 3 more race days, but I think we kind of know we're out of it. So for the next day and a half to 2 days, we just kind of take it easy, make a few hits, you know, get the car a little bit better. But we definitely found some things out, as you'll see in the next video, because this is where everything, where the rubber meets the road in terms of getting the tuning right and figuring out what went wrong. As always, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you like. We got more videos coming, including Woodward, the rest of Rocky Mountain, and hopefully a couple more events for 2021. We'll see you.